Alright, we're in JasperActive Microsoft Word 2016 Core. Lesson 4, Learn 1, Modifying the Page Setup. Just a quick reminder, make sure you've clicked on the Activate All button when you're starting a new lesson so that you show all of the Learn activities in here. We're going to start with modifying the page setup, so click on Learn or Practice if you've already done this one. In this exercise, you'll use different options to modify the page setup for the document. This document has been converted from another program, so you can modify it within Word to create a flyer or brochure you will send to customers later. You will now specify the page setup for the new brochure. All data files are located in Documents/JasperActive. Okay, this is just a two-step activity. So step 1 is to change the page setup. With the trade show brochure draft document active in the main Word window, click the Layout tab and in the Page Setup group, click Margins. Click Narrow to set the new margins for the brochure. Alright, so making sure that we have the document active, trade show brochure draft right here. If I click into it, that will make it active. Then I need to click the Layout tab. So I'm going to go up to my tabs and find Layout. Okay, and in the Page Setup group, remember our group titles are down here. Here's my Page Setup group. I am going to click on Margins. There it is. And it brings me a menu and it says click Narrow to set new margins for the brochure. So Narrow is the third option here. It means all of my margins are going to be set at these parameters. There we go. You notice it changed the layout of my document here. Go ahead and click Mark as Answered and Next. Step 2, change the orientation. We're going to click in the New Tour offering line and in the Page Setup group, click Orientation, then click Landscape. Okay, so New Tour offering line. I can always do Control F and it will highlight all of these things for me if I can't find something I'm looking for. Okay, so New Touring Offering was just that heading right here. And it just says click in it. I don't have to select the whole thing. And then in the Page Setup group, here's Page Setup right here, click Orientation and then click Landscape. Oh, now you see that my page has changed layout. So instead of being a portrait like you would have it longer vertically and shorter horizontally, now it's longer horizontally. All right, and you can scroll down here and see how the text extends all the way out to the end. So then I'm going to click Mark as Answered and Show Results. And yes. And there we go.